How to change profile picture on Duolingo app. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. To change the profile picture in Duolingo, it is such an easy process. So let's get right into it. As we can't change the profile picture in our Duolingo application, open up any browser and type duolingo.com. Make sure that you are logged in here too. Tap on the avatar head and press on the pencil-like icon in the upper right corner. Again, click on the choose files and select the picture you want to put. After selecting your picture, tap on the save changes and wait for a second. Go back to your Duolingo application to check whether the application had changed the profile picture or not. Open the application and tap on the avatar head. Again, click on the gear shaped icon that is on the top right corner. The profile picture has been successfully changed. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Do like the video and subscribe for more. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.